Hey, this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks, and in this video I'm replacing the headlight bulb on a 2014 Chevy Cruze. Now there's only one headlight bulb to replace. It's actually the high beam and the low beam. If the low beam goes out, you just have to replace the whole bulb, even if the high beam still works, and vice versa. So here is the bulb that you need. It's H13, and you can see that it has both filaments in there. So one is a high beam and one is a low beam. So let's go ahead and replace the bulb. So if you just come in here underneath the hood, you see this green plug right here. If you just take that and twist it, so twist it counterclockwise, and you should be able to pull it out of the headlight assembly. So there's your bulb there. And then you can remove it from the plug in the back of the bulb. So in order to do that, you take this gray piece and slide it backwards, and then it'll catch on this little clip there, and then you can use something like a small screwdriver or a key to press that down. And then it's just a matter of removing the bulb from this green piece here, so we'll just unplug it. All right, so I just pulled it off. I pressed down on that tab and pulled straight, and the bulb comes off and we can put on the new one. Now, my little gasket here didn't come off with my headlight bulb, so you have to remove that. It was stuck on to the back here, and the new bulb comes with a new gasket, as you can see there. So I gotta take that off, and then we can put in the new bulb. And that's just gonna go in like this, and then with this little notch facing up and out, we'll just turn it to the right, and it easily locks in place. And we'll take the side that has the tab and plug that in, and then we can take our little gray piece here and slide that in to the back of the plug, and we're all done. We got our headlight bulb installed. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.